Derby city centre at the Becketwell development, which is the new 3,500 capacity music venue that's being built here to replace the assembly rooms. If you aren't aware of the story of the assembly rooms in Derby, the plant room of the assembly rooms had a fire in 2014 and it has been closed since then. Unfortunately, since then, it's been to and thrown whether they should refurbish it and reopen it or whether they should demolish it and build a new theatre. And it was eventually decided to build a new theatre on this site, which is near where Debenhams used to be. And this is the building you see behind me. So a 3,500 capacity venue is quite good for Derby. I'm quite looking forward to when it opens. So it should have some decent bands on here because it's of a suitable size, not as big as an arena, but bigger than your more normal venue, so they should have some good groups on. Anyway, that's my construction update, and we'll see how this place progresses, and I look forward to announcing when it's open. There's only one more thing to say: go out and support live music. This is Roger from I Can See the Stage From Here saying goodbye.